Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Robinhood price alerts, order confirmations, or market notifications on your iPhone? Missing these can cost you money. Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down until you find Robinhood in the installed app list, or you could search it directly. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap notifications. First, make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it is gray, tap it green. Then, check the alert system below. Make sure it is set to banners or alerts and not none. If it says none, notifications are technically allowed but absolutely nothing will appear on your screen. Also turn on sounds and badges below that. After fixing those, go back to the top of settings and then tap focus. Check each focus mode you use. Sleep, do not disturb, work. Tap each one, then tap apps and make sure Robinhood is not listed under silenced app. After that, you do see Robinhood in that list, remove it. Price alerts and order files are time sensitive, so both the iPhone notification permission and the focus settings must be correct for them to reach you instantly. So, all you gotta do is go to your settings app, then Robinhood, then allow notifications on set style to banners, check focus mode, Robinhood alerts will come through now. And that's it. Subscribe.